Hello guys, mag-install ako ng door lock remote guys. Ito guys oh. Yan, door lock remote guys, mag-install ako. Ito yung ayan guys oh, horn. Kayong nariyanan guys oh. Ito yung remote guys. So, yan. Ito yan guys. Ito rin yung box guys. Ito yung box. Yung control box niyan. Kaya yung harness na guys oh. Ito yung mga wire niya. Yan. Ito yung relay tsaka yung LED lights niya guys. Yung motor. Papalitan ko ng isang yung motor guys kasi sira yung wire. Tingnan nyo. Kaya papalitan ko to ng wire guys. Ayusin ko ng mabuti guys. Ito na guys oh. Kasama na yung paa guys. Yun. Kasi mahirap ako na lang mag-isa guys. Pinagsama-sama natin lahat. Medyo maganda. Yan. Connection ko muna to guys. Tatap ko muna. Yan. So guys, katatapos ko lang guys magkabit guys. Ito yung box guys. Door lock remote. Ayun guys. Yan. Ito na guys, mag-testing ako guys ha. Ng door lock remote guys. Kaka-install ko lang guys. Ito guys oh. Unlock. Lock. Yan guys. Unlock. Sa kabila guys. Mitsubishi Strada guys. Yan guys oh. Unlock. Guys. Yan oh. Gumagana na guys.